In this video, I will show how to solve Instagram reload page something went wrong problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Swipe down notification panel. Turn on flight mode or airplane mode. Just few seconds. Tap on hold Google Chrome. Click on app info. And click on storage and cache. Tap on clear storage. Tap on clear all data. Press on power button. Click on restart and tap to restart phone normally. In this way, you can solve this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.